Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when we are experiencing a screen dim problem when playing with games in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So without further ado, let's get started. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our control panel, and we can do that by simply making a search here in the Windows search tab control panel. And you will see under best match, you will see here the control panel option. So please click on that to open. And then once you do that, you will now be able to see the windows for all control panel items. And if you see that your windows is not looking like this, then you can click this view by options here, and then click this drop down button, and then view by small icons or either large icons. Okay, so after doing that, we will be now looking for the power options, any option that says power, this one, and now please click on that, and then you will now be able to choose or customize a power plan. So here in the selected plan, if you have selected Acer or balanced or high performance, if you have selected any of that, then please click the change plan settings beside that option, and then we will now be able to change the plan settings for our device. And in here, we need to click on change advanced power settings, and another small window will be coming up on our screen. For the advanced settings tab, all we need to do is just to look for an option in the box here that says display, just like this one, and then we will expand that by clicking this plus sign here. And for the turn off display after option, all we need to do is just to set for the on battery or plug-in option. So let's click on this one, and in here all we need to do is just to select, or you can also type for the minutes here, the number of minutes that you want to turn off the display. So for example, 45, and for the plug-in you can also choose the same, which is 45. So by default I have set mine as never, so I will just go with my setting. Let me just go back to my default setting. Okay, and then click on apply, and then click on OK, and then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you will never experience the same problem again. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.